Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an incredible culinary adventure to a place where food is not just sustenance, but a vibrant celebration of culture, history, and community. We're diving headfirst into the sensational world of Pakistani street food. Forget fancy restaurants. The real magic happens right here, on the bustling streets and in the lively bazaars. So grab your appetite because you're about to get very, very hungry. Our journey begins in the heart of Punjab, in the magnificent city of Lahore. Known as the food capital of Pakistan, Lahore is a paradise for anyone who loves to eat. As the sun sets, the city transforms. The famous food street in Gawalmandi, with its beautifully lit historic buildings, comes alive with the sizzle of grills and the incredible aromas of spices. First up, a Lahori legend, Lahori fried fish. You'll see vendors expertly dipping pieces of freshwater fish into a bright orange, spicy gram flour batter. It is then plunged into a giant karahi of hot oil until it is perfectly crispy on the outside and unbelievably tender and flaky on the inside. The secret is in the marinade, a mix of spices like cumin, coriander, red chili, and a special touch of ajwain, or carom seeds, which gives it a unique, slightly pungent flavor. Served hot with a squeeze of lemon and some tangy plum chutney, this is a dish that will make you understand why Lahori food is so famous. It's an explosion of texture and flavor in every single bite. Just a few steps away, you'll find another classic, Sikh kebabs. These aren't just any kebabs. We're talking minced meat, usually lamb or beef, mixed with a symphony of spices. Finely chopped onions, green chilies, and fresh coriander. This mixture is then skillfully molded onto long metal skewers and grilled over glowing charcoal embers. The sight of the vendors fanning the coals, the smoke carrying that irresistible barbecue scent through the air, is just intoxicating. The result is a smoky, juicy, and incredibly flavorful kebab that practically melts in your mouth. Fluffy naan bread straight from the tandoor and a side of mint raita, a cooling yogurt sauce that perfectly balances the heat of the spices. Now let's talk about breakfast. In Pakistan, breakfast is a serious affair, and nothing says good morning like a plate of Halwa Puri. This is the breakfast of champions. You get these deep-fried, puffy breads called puris, which are light as air. They're served with a rich, sweet semolina pudding called halwa, often colored with saffron and garnished with nuts. But that's not all. On the side, you have two savory dishes, a spicy chickpea curry called chana masala and a flavorful potato curry. The idea is to tear a piece of puri and scoop up a bit of everything. The sweet halwa, the spicy chickpeas, the savory potatoes. It's a mind-blowing combination of sweet, savory, and spicy that wakes up all your senses. It's a bit heavy, sure, but trust me, it's worth every single calorie. Leaving Lahore behind, we travel south to the bustling metropolis of Karachi, a city that never sleeps and is always eating. Karachi's street food scene is a melting pot of cultures, reflecting its diverse population. And here, the king of all street snacks is the bun kebab. It's often called the Pakistani burger, but it's so much more. Inside a soft, warm bun, you'll find a shami kebab, a patty made from lentils and minced meat. Or just lentils for a vegetarian version, along with a fried egg, some onions, and the star of the show, a tangy, spicy chutney. Every vendor has their own secret chutney recipe, usually a mix of tamarind, green chilies, and mint. It's simple, it's cheap, and it is absolutely delicious. It's the kind of snack you can grab on the go, and it perfectly captures the fast-paced spirit of Karachi. While we're in Karachi, we can't miss out on another local favorite, especially beloved for its refreshing qualities. Gola Ganda. Think of it as a Pakistani snow cone, but on a whole new level. A vendor takes a large block of ice and shaves it into a mountain of fluffy ice in a bowl or a glass. Then the real magic begins. They drench it in a rainbow of colorful, sweet syrups, rose, orange, kooz, which is vetiver. It's then often topped with condensed milk, pineapple chunks, and sometimes even a scoop of ice cream. It's a sweet, icy, and incredibly refreshing treat, perfect for beating the Karachi heat. Watching them prepare it is a performance in itself, and the final product is a work of art. Now, let's head north, towards the ruggedly beautiful landscapes of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and its capital, Peshawar. The food here is influenced by Central Asian and Afghan cuisines, with a focus on meat and more subtle rustic flavors. The undisputed champion of Peshawari street food is the Chapli Kebab. The name Chapli comes from the Pashto word for flat, and that's exactly what these kebabs are. Large, flat, and round. They are made from minced beef or mutton, mixed with a unique blend of spices, including dried pomegranate seeds and coriander seeds, which give them a slightly sour and crunchy texture. Tomatoes, onions, and green chilies are also mixed in. They're not grilled, but pan-fried in a huge flat pan in animal fat, which makes them incredibly rich and juicy. The edges get crispy while the inside remains tender. Served with a giant, soft Peshawari naan, it's a hearty, satisfying meal that reflects the generous hospitality of the region. And of course, no journey through Pakistan's streets would be complete without experiencing the soul-warming comfort of a good cup of chai. But we're not talking about a simple tea bag in a cup. We're talking about Doodh Patty Chai. This is tea made by boiling loose black tea leaves, milk, and sugar together until it becomes a rich, creamy, and strong brew. You'll find chaiwalas or tea vendors on literally every street corner, skillfully pouring the hot chai from a height to create a frothy top. It's more than just a drink. It's a social ritual. It's what people drink when they meet friends, close business deals, or just take a break from their day. Enjoying a hot cup of chai while watching the world go by is an essential Pakistani experience. One more snack you absolutely have to try, found all over the country, is Pani Puri, also known as Golgappa. These are small, hollow, crispy balls made from semolina or flour. The vendor pokes a hole in the top and fills it with a mixture of chickpeas, potatoes, and onions. Then, it's dipped into a tangy, spicy water made with tamarind, mint, and spices. You have to eat it all in one go. And the moment it bursts in your mouth is an explosion of textures and flavors, crispy, soft, savory, tangy, and spicy all at once. It's an interactive and incredibly fun snack to eat. From the fiery kebabs of Peshawar to the sweet and savory breakfast of Lahore and the iconic bun kebabs of Karachi, Pakistani street food is a journey for the senses. It's a testament to the country's rich history, diverse cultures, and the incredible passion people have for good food. Every dish tells a story, and every vendor puts their heart and soul into their craft. So the next time you think of Pakistan, I hope you'll think of this incredible culinary landscape. This was just a small taste, a tiny glimpse into what the streets have to offer. There's so much more to explore, so many more flavors to discover. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey. I'd love to know what your favorite Pakistani street food is or what you'd be most excited to try. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. Bye for now.